Welcome to our channel. Today we how to connect card forms to Google Sheets, quick tutorial step by step clearly. To connect card forms to Google Sheets, start by opening your card site editor. Select the form you want to connect to Google Sheets. In the form settings, look for the Actions section. Choose the webhook option from the drop-down menu. Next, open a new tab in your browser and navigate to Google Sheets. Create a new spreadsheet or open an existing one to store your form responses. Now, go to the Google Apps script by clicking on Extensions, then Apps script. Copy and paste the following code to create a function that will handle incoming data. JavaScript function doPost const sheet equals spreadsheet app.open by id your underscore spradshit underscore id get active sheet const data equals. Next, click on the disk icon to save your script and give it a name. Now, click on Deploy in the top right corner and select New Deployment. Choose Web App from the options. Set your deployment to execute as yourself and allow access to anyone. Once configured, click Deploy. Authorize the script by following the on-screen and after authorization, you will receive a URL for your web app. Copy this URL and return to your card site editor. Paste the URL into the webhook field of your form settings. Save your card site. Now, go back to your Google Sheet and click on the Preview button in Card to test your form. Fill out the form and submit it. Return to your Google Sheets to see if the data has been captured. If done correctly, your form responses should now appear. Congratulations, you have successfully connected card forms to Google Sheets. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.